Hi, I'm going to show you how to create Shopify store. So first is you have to log in to Shopify, and then you have to click the start free trial, and then sign up with email. So you have to sign up. Okay, create Shopify account. Okay, then select what you would like to sell. Okay, so I'm not selling it. Alright, you have to skip this later. So now, first is you have to, so this is the image or the inside of Shopify store. So you have to go to online store. So you, and then you will see the themes. So you have to create first the themes of your store, Shopify store. So next is you have to scroll down if you want another set of theme store. So click visit theme store, and then click the free. So we're using the free theme, and then decide to choose this theme. So try theme, click try theme. So it already added into your online theme stores. And then you will wait until it will be uploaded. There, and then you have to click the publish. So click publish, and you will see you have to click view your store here, top. Then there, this is your theme, and then you can go back to, you can also customize your theme. Okay. So in customizing your theme, so there is here on the left side there is an announcement bar. You can click that one if you want, and then you can add text here. So welcome to our store. So maybe it's fine, and then you can find here in the left side there is an header also. You can add section on it, and then the template, so you can go to image banner. So if you want to add image, select and then upload image. Okay, So you can select image here. So it will go in your wall, in your theme. And then if you want another image, just select image 2 and then select and add image, another image. So I want this one. Okay. Okay, click done. So you will see it. There is 2 image in your theme. And then if you want to adjust the size, so you can choose adapt to first image or small if you want small. So since I want small, so I click small. And then the browse, so click browse again, and then you can put it here, welcome. You can write welcome. And then next, go to buttons. So here the buttons shop also, maybe we can skip this one. So this is our okay. Then feature collection, so in the lower part, so maybe next and then if since this is already customize your thing. And then next is you go to logo. You can put a logo. So select and then add image. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one. So since my business is Luxury Bed, so I want my logo is Luxury Bed. Okay. There you go. So you can see my logo here at the top on the left side. And then you can change also the colors if you want. So since I'm okay with this color, so I will never change this one. And then you also, there is also a layout if you want to lay out. And then drawers, badges, special. So okay, I'm good with this. So now we are now designing the store, our store. Then since we already done with designing our the store themes, so you can save, click save. And then after that, when you're already creating your Shopify store, so you can go back to Shopify to post your product. So you can go or click to the products. Okay, so this is how you create Spotify Shopify store. Okay, that's